Hi, my name is Radhika and welcome to Flipkart.com. Today we will check out the all-new Samsung 32J 4003 and 24K 4100 HD-ready televisions. These Samsung TVs are sleek, stylish, and I feel a great addition to your living space. Let's check them out in greater detail. These LED TVs come with a 32-inch and 24-inch screen respectively. They have the ability to connect multiple devices, including DVD and DTH simultaneously, taking complete care of your entertainment needs. These Samsung TVs are packed with some amazing features like wide color enhancer, connect share, Indian cinema mode and cricket mode, which are all there to personalize your daily dosage of entertainment. Let's start with the wide color enhancer. Using an advanced picture quality improvement algorithm, Samsung's wide color enhancer drastically improves the quality of any image and uncovers even those hidden details, so you can experience colors as they were meant to be seen with your eyes. Moving on to the next feature. With Connect Share feature, you can simply connect your USB device and enjoy movies, music, pictures all in one go. And here comes my favorite feature, the Indian cinema mode. Get cinema-like viewing experience at your home with this feature. So for all of you Bollywood fans out there who are fond of the vibrant colors, the bling and the heart-thumping sound effects, you can experience your favorite movies just like you do in the theaters, sitting right on your couch. Also, the screen size is optimized for the best viewing experience with the click of a single button. Let's talk about the cricket mode now. Enjoy stadium-like experience by switching on this mode and redefine your cricket viewing experience at home with surround sound and enhanced picture quality. You can also freeze a live cricket match, divide the screen into 9 sections and zoom into more details. Isn't that cool? Now you can be the third umpire and have the stadium experience from the comfort of your couch. These Samsung LEDs come with 2-channel speakers of 5 watts each, one downfiring and one bass reflex. What that means in simpler words is great amplification of sound for you. Another very interesting feature, which is exclusive to the 24-inch model, the Samsung K Series 24K 4100, is the screen and sound capture. You can now take picture or screenshots while watching TV via the screen capture option. Freeze your favorite TV moments on the screen at the push of a single button. You can save these images on an external storage device which is connected to your TV. Similarly, recording audio while watching TV becomes real with sound capture. You can view or replay the stored image or sound clip anytime and relive your favorite moments. Now, added perks for both of these TVs include an HD picture quality, ability to use multiple screens at the same time, be it DTH, DVD or gaming consoles, crystal clear sound experience and a beautiful customer delight experience. All of these which I feel make these TVs a compelling buy for your home. So come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax. Let us bring to your doorstep quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all the products that you choose to buy, and an assured brand warranty. Thank you so much for watching. Have a perfect buy.